nanasta na sila. They are taking breakfast. But brother Maruf, your name brother Maruf?
Muhammad Maruf.
Maruf. Ayan, si Sister Yasmin. Sis, say salam to all your friends.
Hello, assalamualaikum.
Andito
I'm
na
so
sila.
happy. Nakarating din ako dito kay Sister
Nag-ano
Alice.
sila, paratha. Yung anak nila si Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, say salam alaikum. Oh, no talking. Ate, pamangkin ng ng asawa ni Sister Yasmin. Ayan, naggawa ako ng paratha, tapos yung bata ay bread. Last night, I did not make already video for the dinner because busy. So now I have time to make a video for Nasta. Ayan, yung kanilang common Pakistani Nasta or breakfast in Pakistan nationwide is paratha. With partner with chai.
Same in Dubai.
Dubai also?
Yeah.
Yung mga Dubai doon, ano yung mga almusal nila? Breakfast also like this?
Yeah.
Paratha also? Kubus?
Sweet.
Salona.
Come on.
Chai. No. Abud, no.
Sis, nakatulog ka ba last
Yes.
night?
Sobrang pagod ko, sarap ng tulog ko. Hindi ko naiintindi yung kagat ng lamok.
Oh, then very nice also to sleep because it's rain. There is rain, so that's why very nice to sleep. And Atif, you sleep nice.
Yeah.
Abdurrahman also na. You finish there. You finish. Sit down. You finish Nasta.
Not good. You eating walking about haram.
Yeah. It's not good. Must be you have. Mashallah, he finished his 3 pieces of bread.
Yeah.
Ayan.
It's in Dubai. If gutom na gutom siya, yung isang parata kaya niya ubusin. But kailangan niya ikat ng isang together with chai.
Because in Pakistan they like that they put in chai, no? Me, but I don't like.
Lahat niya na isang parata, ilalagay niya sa chai.
Isaw-saw sa chai.
Hindi sinasawsaw. Himay-himayin niya, pasok
Pasok niya lahat tapos gamit ng kutsara.
Kutsara. Ganun siya.
Yan kagaya niyan. Ayan, may kutsara bakit? Why? Ke? Allah? Why? Then you want to drink Sprite in the morning?
Did you drink Sprite? Morning?
No. He want, but I tell not to drink. It's not good.
You go travel, you travel vomiting there.
Yeah, it's not good.
Drink water.
Wait nyo mamaya yung pangalawang video niya.
May mga itatanong ako sa kanya tungkol sa kanyang
sa ating
karanasan as a second wife. Brother, can I ask you question? What you say about Sister Yasmin?
That is good.
But what? Only talking. Kur. But heart is good. Heart is 100% good. Yeah. I know.
Same like one Pakistani man in Dubai telling to me before I'm living in the Lulu side. One Pakistani man telling to me, the Philippines is very good for everything. You tell. Clean the house, for
everything.
Clean.
Yeah.
But the problem only too much.
Kur. We call that here in village is kur.
Can we bring one dog in the...
Allah. Then this need passport, visa.
Passport,
Yeah.
medical,
everything.
yeah.
And injection and this ticket. How much one ticket for this one?
Pakistani men, if nakakatagpo sila ng Pilipina, ang laki ng improvement nila sa sarili nila.
Oo.
Yeah. Doon lang ako proud sa mga Pilipina, lalo na pag ipasawa na nila ipasawa na nila. Pero pag yung mga boyfriend lang, hindi ako...
Pero marami doon sis, di ba?
Marami. Sa Dubai marami. Hindi ako sa kanila na may boyfriend na silang Pakistani, hindi pa ulit nila ng another boyfriend kasi need nila ng more money. Pero pag naging asawa mo na, yun, strict to one na lang.